Now the final stage of the system lifecycle is the evaluation stage. Now first things first, before we look at the evaluation part, we need to talk about technical documentation. So this is designed to help the programmer and the analysts to make improvements to the system or to repair or maintain the system. And it can be any of the following. So it could just be the software and hardware requirements to ensure that people are actually using the right software and hardware for the job, any known issues or bugs and ways to combat them, a flowchart showing how the program may run, an index of error messages and what they mean, the actual purpose of the system, or a user guide to show how it works. The final stage of the system lifecycle is to evaluate its impact and effectiveness. So once it's been up and running for an extended period of time, we then perform an evaluation. So when we evaluate the success of a system, we think about the following things. Does it operate quicker than the previous system? Does it reduce the time it takes to do tasks? Does it reduce costs? Can it be used effectively? How much training does it require? Is it suitable for all departments? Does it meet the needs of the customer, the staff, and does it actually match the original requirements? If it doesn't, then what was the point in making the system at all? So what we do is, one thing we look at is the success criteria. So we compare the final solution against the original requirements. If it doesn't meet any of them, then clearly we've done something wrong. Then we can identify any limitations, any further improvements that need making, look at feedback from users of the new system, and compare the test results from the new system with the old system. Now the whole point of the evaluation is the whole system lifecycle is meant to be a fluid process which loops and loops and loops. So it might get to a point where, you know what, we have missed something. So what we need to do is we need to go back to the beginning. We need to ask all the staff again what are the improvements that need making. We then start designing, testing, developing, implementing, and then re-evaluating. And we're constantly doing this on a regular basis to ensure that the program itself, the system evolves, the system's relevant, and the system actually does the job it needs to do. So if you get an exam question asking you to discuss evaluations, we need to talk about these three main considerations. So efficiency. Does the new system operate faster? Does it reduce staff time, and does it reduce costs? The ease of use. Is it easy to use? Can users enter data and delete data safely without compromising the database? Can the staff use the system with minimal training? Is it suitable for the business? Does the software meet the needs of the client and customers, and does it match the original requirements? If you cover these main points, then you're going to be covering what they're asking in the question. That was quite a quick one, but hopefully you understand the use of technical documentation and evaluations, and that's been Unit 7, and I will see you in the next unit.